Welcome back to Converge 2025. We are here talking to our lab instructors today. So I'm here with Nir and James. Guys, tell me, what's the name of your lab? What's this about?
Yeah, hi. So I'm James Cochran. I'm a senior threat hunter here at Tanium with HuntIQ. This lab here is breaching the gap. So taking Tanium, OpenCTI, OpenBAS, and working through threat intelligence to attack simulation with Tanium and these open source tools to test your environment and then go back and create detections for those attack simulations. And I'll pass it over to Nir.
Yeah, hi, I'm Nir. I'm a solution engineer out of the Northeast. So for those of you who are not familiar with the terms here, what we are showing off here in the lab is an integration between a cybersecurity threat intelligence. OpenCTI is actually an open source for threat intelligence platform, and the breach and attack simulations. So those are tools that help red teams to attack and check the security controls across the board.
You guys, I love this because security is my passion. And this sounds incredibly technical. We've got I'm imagining a lot of detail in this lab. When learners are coming away from this, what's the biggest takeaway that you expect them to walk away with?
I think one of the biggest takeaways that folks are getting from this lab is, one, the ability to integrate tools with Tanium, so via our API and partnership with various companies. And then two, being able to use the power of our platform to go out and reach your endpoints with this attack simulation and have a full cycle of we can test this theory for an attack. Did we detect it? Yes or no? Okay, we didn't detect it. Now we can go back into Tanium, create a piece of intel that will allow us to detect it. And then you have that full circle of we didn't detect it before, but now we can, and we're protected going forward.
Right. There's so many labs at Converge, and the fact that this one, it's so packed with technical detail, and I think this is one of those things that we have something for everyone from beginner to advanced. This feels very advanced, but also so relevant. So any feedback that you've gotten from lab learners so far about what they've liked about this?
Yeah, people really enjoyed looking at a third-party solution. So Filigran is a partner of us, and the solutions they coming up with really helps our participants understand how integrations with either this partner or other partners in threat response can bridge the gap. And then obviously the power of threat response in general and the ability to create additional detection signals in case that the attack simulations find any gaps within those. And we got some great feedbacks around that as well.
Perfect. So obviously you guys put a lot of work into this. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much for sticking with us. Stay tuned for more Converge 2025 coverage.